Hello everyone, I hope everyone will fine. Today I bring a third video. I have posted a last day that the third video is a very important for the beginners, and I hope everyone will fine and Facebook will family will support the other videos and this video. So today video is a very important for the beginner. You have been seeing the first two videos, which also been important. The first video is about introduction, how to introduce yourself, and the second one is grammar is important for the English language. The first two is done perfectly, and I just request to everyone. First of all, you can watch them, and after that, come to the third video. If you miss any video, then you will never be speak English perfectly. The most important video that I bring for today is about the 50 sentence which we use in our daily life. We are dealing schools in everywhere. I think in everywhere. It's a very important. I just keep this 50 sentence in my phone because I have been noted every sentence from the environment. That where we will use this. When I use in a day, I spend my day by these 50 sentences. Then I thought that this is a very most important sentences. And I keep this from in my phone, and I will make this video for this 50 sentence which is very important for the beginners. I'm gonna to start because the video will be too long if I waste too much time. And I will use also Urdu and also English. So I'm using a phone for to take a video because it's too much. The first one video is मैं एक तालिबे इल्म हूँ. How you will translate this one in English? If someone is asked that what do you do, then you will answer him, I am a student. The second one is मेरा नाम Ali है. It's a very easy, but this is very important for everyone. My name is Ali. आप कैसे हो? How are you? मैं ठीक हूँ. I am fine. खुश आमदीद. You are welcome. When someone is come, then you will use this one sentence. You are welcome. Subah bakhair. Good morning. It's everyone know about good morning. Eighth one. Subah bakhair. Good night. Shab bakhair. Good night. See you later. फिर मिलते हैं. Goodbye. Khuda Hafiz. When someone left you, then you will use this one word. Goodbye. What is your name? आपका क्या नाम है? Nice to meet you. आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. जब कोई आपसे, when someone meet with you, then you will use this one sentence when he want to left you. The 13th one is where are you from? आप कहाँ से हो? 14 one is I am from Pakistan. मैं पाकिस्तानी हूँ. Please help me. बराए करम मेरी मदद करो. When someone asks for help, then he want to use please help me. मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा. When you can't be understand, then you will use this one. I don't understand. क्या आप दोबारा कह सकते हैं? Can you repeat that? Speak slowly please. बराए करम आहिस्ता बोले. I am learning English. मैं अंग्रेजी सीख रहा हूँ. I like English. मुझे English या मुझे अंग्रेजी बहुत पसंद है. This is my book. ये मेरी किताब है. That is your pen. वो आपका कॉलम है. ये आपका कॉलम है. Close the window. खिड़की बंद करो. Sit down. बैठ जाए. This is 25 sentence. And it's a very important, but it's too much easy. Everyone will learn very perfectly and very easily. It's not too much easy. It's not too much difficult. So 26 one is stand up, खड़े हो जाओ, come here, यहाँ है, go there, वहाँ जाए, wait a minute, एक मिनट इंतजार करें, I am hungry, मुझे भूख लगी है, I am tired, मैं थका हुआ हूँ, I am happy, मैं खुश हूँ, I am sad, मैं उदास हूँ, what time is it, क्या वक्त है, क्या वक्त हुआ है, और it is late, देर हो गई है, I have a car, मेरे पास एक गाड़ी है. Why the screen is going down? I have two brothers, मेरे दो भाई है. Do you speak English? क्या आप अंग्रेजी बोल सकते हैं? Yes, I do. जी हाँ. No, I don't. नहीं. I need water. मुझे पानी चाहिए. I like tea. मुझे चाय पसंद है. I don't like coffee. मुझे कॉफी पसंद नहीं है. Where is the bathroom? Bathroom कहाँ है? How much is this? ये कितने का है? Please write it down. बराए करम इसे लिख दें. I can do it. मैं ये कर सकता हूँ. Don't worry, फिक्र ना करें. Have a nice day. आपका दिन अच्छा गुजरे. तो ये तो 50 सेंटेंस थे. ये बिगिनर के लिए जरूरी है. और इसके बाद जो है इंशाल्लाह in the next video we will I will bring a very important topics. The next videos, the next sentence, and I hope everyone like this. I just repeat the all sentence very fastly because this is very easy. Everyone can search it is internet, and if someone want from me, then comment, and also I will share with the post to everyone. Guys, you can also use a ChatGPT, which is take a word and help to everyone, which is all friends, fathers, teacher, everything. But he can't make a facing video that I make this. Everyone can learn English, but it can't be speak English confidently. Then I make this one. I hope everyone will like this one video, and please support me. I request you to Facebook family that please support me. I give too much time to YouTube to edit the video, to make the video, and Facebook families also for support me, and everyone can watch my videos from start to the end. Do not miss any points. You will learn English perfectly, inshallah. If you watch all the videos of my channels, inshallah, I'm giving a 100% guarantee. Then you will learn a perfect English. You will dealing with the Englishman. You will take things from the shop in English. You will speak with the friends. Communication, you can do it all. You get a job in communication call center. It's very easy. But if you learn English with me, inshallah, we will meet with the next video, and I bring our next very important video for everyone. Thank you very much to watch my videos. Subscribe. Nice to meet you. We will meet in the next video.